monsoon transforms Gujarat into a lush paradise. Hills turn green, rivers come alive, and the air feels fresh and magical. In this video, we'll take you through the best places to visit in Gujarat during the monsoon season. So grab a cup of chai and let's begin. First up, Saputara, nestled in the Sahyadri Hills. During monsoon, this tiny hill station becomes a green haven with misty mornings and scenic drives. Must-dos here are boating in Saputara Lake, trekking to Sunset Point, and enjoying local tribal art at the Artists' Village. Next up, we travel to Polo Forest near Himmatnagar, a lesson on wonder where history and nature walk hand in hand. Explore 15th century temples hidden inside the forest and hear the whispering sounds of rain and birds. Nal Sarovar, a beautiful lake and bird sanctuary, becomes a birdwatcher's paradise in the rains. Spot flamingos, pelicans, and more while gliding in a boat under grey skies. Last but not the least, visit Pavagadh Hill and the historic town of Champanir, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Trek to the Mahakali temple with clouds around you and explore ancient forts and mosques soaked in rain. Monsoon in Gujarat is more than just rain. It's a soulful experience of nature, history, and culture. Which of these places would you love to visit? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content from Incredible India.